In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header in Excel 365 Desktop. This is a straightforward process, but it can greatly enhance the clarity and professionalism of your reports or any Excel document you're working with. Headers allow you to insert useful and important information such as titles, dates, or other metadata at the top of each printed page, making it easier for anyone reviewing your document to understand exactly what they're looking at. So let's explore one of the most efficient ways to do this using Page Layout View. First, you'll want to open the worksheet where you intend to add a header. Make sure it's the right one, as this is the specific document where the header will appear. Once your worksheet is open, navigate to the top of Excel's ribbon and click on the Insert tab. As you explore the various options available under this tab, search for the option labeled Header and Footer. By clicking on this, Excel automatically shifts your view to what's known as the Page Layout View. This view gives you a rough idea of how your worksheet will look when printed, including where your header will sit at the top of each page. Now that you're in Page Layout View, you will notice 3 header boxes appear at the top of your document, one on the left, one in the center, and another on the right. You can decide where you want your header to be positioned. Whether it's the left, center, or right, simply click within the header box of your choice. This is where you'll type the content of your header. Choose text that provides meaningful context for anyone reading the document, like Annual Sales Report or Client Expenses Summary. At this stage, it's worth considering whether you'd like to add any dynamic elements to your header. These are elements that can automatically update or reflect specific data points, such as the page number, the file name, or even the current date. To add these dynamic elements, stay in the header and look to the Header and Footer tools at the top of the ribbon, then click on the Design tab. Here you'll find options to insert all sorts of elements. Just select the elements that best suit your document's purpose. For example, if you're working with multiple pages, adding a page number can be very helpful. Finally, once you've completed your header content and included any dynamic elements, click anywhere else on the worksheet to exit the header editing mode. This brings you back to working on your Excel document as usual, with your newly added header now in place for when you print your document. And that's it! You've successfully added a header to your Excel 365 document, creating a more informative and professional-looking spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful Excel tips and tutorials.